Greetings, people on YouTube. Today we're going to be taking a look at a CZ75 PCR or CZ75D. It's a compact model. We're going to start by taking out the magazine, locking the slide back. We're going to make sure we don't have anything in the chamber, nothing on the bolt face, and there's no magazine or source feed inside of there. Next, we're going to take this, and you can see there's these little notches right here. And those two things will line up for us. And over here, there's a little nub. We're going to hit that most likely with a magazine because I have weak little effeminate baby fingers. So we'll knock that here. Push that. Be able to take this out. Push the slide forward. We'll take the spring and the guide rod off. And the barrel comes out. And at this point, you have a fully disassembled CZ75 PCR. We'll put the barrel back in. Put the spring and the guide rod back together. And insert the slide back onto the frame. Reline up those holes again, those lines again. And we are set.